going to give you a list of things that you should stop doing and you should stop engaging in if you just want to save your time and money. If you are a long-term viewer of this channel, तो फिर आपको पता है कि it is basically stupidity. It is just a waste of your time by following some celebrities every single move, उनके हर story या फिर हर post से updated रहने के लिए। ये चीज़ है कि following someone else's entire day, यानी कि being updated with every single thing that they do, even when it comes to keeping up with people that you know, तो फिर Dunbar number एक ऐसा number होता है which suggests कि we can have about 150 meaningful relationships in our entire life. And imagine having that data about 150 people's entire day in your head when that mental energy could be used someplace else. दूसरी चीज़ that you should absolutely stop doing is going for lunch and going for dinner buffets. And मैं आपको explain करता हूँ why it is a lose-lose situation. आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि it is just 500 rupees या फिर it is just 1000 rupees all you can eat, अच्छा खाना है काफ़ी. But you know what happens is हम पैसा वसूल करने के लिए we eat more, यानी कि we eat in a calorie surplus and we eat a lot of unhealthy carb-rich foods. Say we are creating more problems than we are solving. And usually when it comes to our physical health, usually when it comes to our mental health, तो फिर सारे के सारे जो diseases होते हैं those are silent killers, यानी कि until it is too late हमें पता नहीं चलता. So why get into such situations in the first place? And the third thing that makes absolutely no sense to me is buying cold drinks after a big meal. And आपने एक बड़ा मील खा लिया, आपने एक कैलोरी सरप्लस में खा लिया which is harming your health, and वो mitigate करने के लिए then you have cold sugary water and it is just a lose-lose situation. एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए आप और दो प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो. Another stupid thing, अगर आप कोई भी controversial YouTube वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में जाओगे एंड उसका मोस्ट लाइक कमेंट देखोगे तो फिर there will be about 3 to 4 people arguing about something that has no relevance with their life. Stop arguing with strangers on the internet. Imagine आपका कितना टाइम बचेगा if you just stop arguing with someone who doesn't know that you exist in a comment section of a nonsensical video. Is that you should absolutely stay away from, and if you are doing those activities, so you should try to get help, is smoking and drinking. And after studying psychology, I realized okay, these are just activities that we use to numb out our stresses temporarily. यानी कि we go out on a Friday night, we get drunk, and when we face our problems on Monday, तो फिर those problems are not going to go away. We have done nothing towards them. Versus imagine going on a walk या फिर going for a quick 1 hour का training session contributes to your mental and physical health. And when you come back with changed perspective, यानी कि जो भी आपके problems है, you can actually do something about it. Activities like smoking, drinking, having a lot of carb-rich, protein-deficient foods, या फिर having a lot of foods जिसके अंदर बहुत ही saturated fat होता है, these things are just lose-lose situations क्योंकि it is pay now, pay 10 times later.